In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed on Squarespace, a simple process that can be completed in about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to add a form, widget, or any other code snippet to your site, I'll guide you through the steps to seamlessly incorporate external elements into your Squarespace page. To begin with, make sure you have the embed code from JotForm or wherever your code originates. Having this code readily available will streamline the process. If you haven't done so already, generate or copy the required code from your source platform. This piece of code is essentially what you'll be embedding into your Squarespace website. Next, let's head over to Squarespace. Open your preferred web browser and log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you should see the home page of your Squarespace account. From here, you'll want to find and click on the Get Started button. This is your gateway to accessing all the features and tools that Squarespace offers for building and editing your website. After clicking Get Started, you'll be directed straight to the Squarespace dashboard. This dashboard serves as the main control center for your site's design elements and functionality. If you need to make edits to your site, you're going to want to select Edit Site. This option will allow you to enter Squarespace's intuitive page editor and make all necessary adjustments to your web pages. Once inside the editor, look for the Code option. Depending on your version of Squarespace or your specific setup, this might be under an Insert menu or available as an explicit option in the toolbar. This code block is a powerful feature that permits you to add custom code to your site without needing to dive into the main HTML template files directly. Now, go ahead and paste the code you prepared from JotForm or any other source into this designated code area. Be precise when pasting your code, ensuring that you haven't inadvertently altered any part of it during the copy-paste process, as even small changes can affect how the embedded content performs on your site. Once you're certain that your code is correctly placed, the final and crucial step is to save your changes. Click the Save button, which may be located at the top or bottom of the page, depending on your editing interface. This action effectively publishes the embedded element onto your site, making it visible and functional for your visitors. And that's it. This simple procedure will help you enhance your Squarespace website effortlessly. Embedding elements can significantly enhance user experience and functionality, and now you can do it with confidence and ease. Thank you for watching, and happy website building.